Okay, now we used to connect the power cable and to connect the WattPanel-2X. Okay, now we use the cable to connect the power cable to the power input at the bottom of the WattPanel-2X. We used to push the connector indifferently until the fully state. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay, the power cable has the 4 connector. We use this is the 4. Yeah, this is the 4 cable. We used this 4 cable to connect the fuse connector in this panel. Okay, I'm show you the cable. It's the L1. Is okay. The L2 is the L3, and the N wire. Yeah, this one. This N.